Hi there! In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the highest mode. With highest, the discount is applied to the higher priced product. Click Add New Rule to create a new promotion. Enable the rule and give it a clear name. For the discount type, select Buy X Get Y. Next, define which products are eligible. In this case, I'm selecting T-shirt and cap. Scroll down to Buy X Get Y settings. Here's the most important part. We have Buy X count based on, and this settings controls how the system counts the quantity. I'm selecting individual product, which means each product is counted separately. For example, if a customer adds one shirt and one cap, the system treats them as two separate qualifying items. Set the mode of apply to highest. This means the system will automatically apply the discount to the highest priced item among the selected products. Now, let's break down how the buy and get discount works. We set the buy quantity to 1 because the first item acts as the buy item. When a second item is added, it becomes the get item, and that's when the discount is applied. So with just one item, there's no discount. You always need at least two, one buy item and one get item. Then we set the get quantity to 1. This means one item in the cart will receive the discount. For the discount type, we choose a percentage discount and set the value to 50%. You can also enable recursive if you want this rule to repeat for multiple quantities. For example, buy 2 shirts and 2 caps, and the discount will apply twice. One important thing to remember: the get product list must match your future logic. Otherwise, the discount may not apply as expected. You can enable the discount bar to notify customers about this offer. Once everything is set up, click Save Rule. Go to the storefront. View on product page. You can see the discount bar that I've just enabled and the discount table. Add the cap to cart. View cart. As you can see, the discount is applied to the higher priced item. And that's it for today. If it helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.